Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And C drive is not accessible, a drive is not exist in your system. So how to fix it? So first click to start, type task manager, open it. After that click on run new task, click it and type explorer .exe and then hit it. Then click to this PC. Now it's same, then close it. Then select the file explorer, find down in taskbar and right click to restart it. Wait few seconds, it will remove taskbar and then it will come within 10 seconds. Yeah, it's come again and then close it. Then next step, check if the D drive is existing in device manager. So click to start, type computer management. Okay, so this one. After that click disk management. Now you can see like D drive, select drive and right click to open it. D drive, not the C drive. Okay, right click to open it, so you can see, you can access. Okay, and then close it. Next guys, change the desktop back. Okay, so click to start, type run and then open it, then type registry. Okay, and then click to OK. After that, current user in the computer, current user, extract current user and then extract software. Now you can see it will generate here the locations. Slow down in the software, find out the Microsoft, extract this Microsoft and then find out the Windows. Slow down, Windows, extract in the Windows, then current version, extract this and then explorer extract and then user shell folder. Okay, then find out desktop. You can see desktop and double click to open, otherwise right click to modify and type this percentage user profile percentage and desktop. Okay, and then click to close and then close it. Then last and very important, click to start and type cmd and then right click to run as administrator. Then first type chk dsk space c column space slash r f space slash r and then hit enter. After that, yes, so this command will work when you restart your system. Okay, this is first command. Then second command, type sfc space slash scan now and then hit enter. So after that it will start the percentage and when it is completed the 100%, then need to restart. So guys, please note, your system will restart, it will come back, means it's fully start within 2 to 3 minutes, maximum 5 minutes, because this command will be scan your full system. Okay, and 100% it will restore your system file and your issues, and then please check it is showing or not. If not, please comment me, I will create the advanced level videos, and please share your laptop model number also. Okay, thank you.